Amir Khan Ali again. Chapter 7, Stream 3. In this we will be discussing the total cost, average cost, marginal cost with definition and with some examples to have better understanding. Direct cost और indirect cost क्या होती हैं, implicit और book cost क्या होती है. So we will be discussing with opportunity cost. So to have better understanding on cost. ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि जी टोटल कॉस्ट और एवरेज कॉस्ट, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट में क्या फ़र्क है. Total cost is the total expenditure incurred in the production of goods and services, as it is clear from its title. Average cost is not actual cost. It is obtained by dividing the total cost by the total output cost. Marginal cost is the addition to the total cost on account of producing one additional unit of product. Fixed cost and variable cost क्या है? Fixed costs are those which are fixed in volume for certain given output. Fixed cost does not vary with variation in output between 0 and a certain given level of output. Business expenses that are not dependent on the level of goods or services produced by business, whereas variable costs are those that vary with the variation in total output. A cost that changes with the change in volume of activity of organization is called variable cost. Direct cost and indirect cost. So direct cost is a price that can be completely attributed to the production of specific goods or services. Some costs such as depreciation or administrative expenses are more difficult to assign to a specific product, and therefore are considered to be indirect cost. So direct cost can be considered a variable cost if it is inconsistent and changes amount often. Indirect cost is a cost that are not directly accountable to a cost objective, such as a particular project, facility, function, or production. Indirect cost may be either fixed or variable. Indirect cost includes administration cost, personal cost, security cost, cameras की, guards की, जो मैंने already पहले discussion की. These are those costs which are not directly related to production के साथ ये related नहीं है, लेकिन administratively you have to look at it. Some indirect cost may be overhead, but some overhead cost can be directly attributed to the project and are direct. ये देखेंगे कि implicit और book cost क्या है. Implicit cost क्या कहती है कि these are those which fall under actual cost entered in the books of account. In contrast, there are costs that do not take the form of cash outlays, nor do they appear in the accounting system. Such costs are called implicit or imputed costs. So in economics, an implicit cost are called as imputed costs, implied cost, or notional cost. In the opportunity cost, equal to what a firm must give up in order to use a factor of production for which it already owns and thus does not pay rent. It is the opposite of an explicit cost, which is borne direct. In other words, an explicit cost is an implicit cost is any cost that results from using an asset instead of renting it out or selling it. कि जनरेटर है तो वो ख़रीद लिया जाए बजाय इसके कि उसको रेंट आउट करें. व्हीकल्स हैं तो वो ख़रीदी हुई हैं, ट्रक्स ख़रीदे हुए हैं बजाय इसके कि आप रेंट करें और उसके ऊपर अपने आइटम्स को एक वेयर हाउस से दूसरे वेयर हाउस, एक सिटी से दूसरे सिटी के ऊपर आप डिलीवर करें. जिस तरह आप नेस्ले के ट्रक्स देखते हैं, डोमिनोज के या पिज़्ज़ा हट के, आप बाइक से तो परचेज रेंट आउट नहीं. तो इसकी रेफरेंस एग्जांपल आपको इजी होगी अंडरस्टैंड करने की. द टर्म्स आल्सो अप्लाई टू फॉरगॉन इनकम फॉर चूजिंग नॉट टू वर्क. करेंगे अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट को कि अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट क्या कहती है. द अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट रेफर्स टू अ बेनिफिट दैट अ पर्सन कुड हैव रिसीव्ड बट गिव अप. कि उसके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी थी, मौका था, लेकिन उसको उसने अवेल नहीं किया. तो टेक अनदर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन स्टार्टेड differently. An opportunity cost represents an alternate given up with the decision is made. This cost is therefore most relevant for two mutual exclusive events. In investing, it is the difference in return between a chosen investment and one that is necessarily passed up. So ये उसकी basic definition है which you have to learn by heart. Option A is the example is to invest in the stock market in hopes of generating returns. Option B is to reinvest the money back into the business with the expectation that never equipped with increased production efficiency, leading to a lower operational expenses and a higher profit margin. Assume the expected return or investment in the stock market is 12% and the equipment update is expected to generate 10% return. The opportunity cost of using the equipment over the stock market is 12% minus 10%, so you got 2%. I hope with this example the opportunity cost concept is clear to you. Come to an end of this stream. See you in next stream, stream 4, and keep stick to के lectures. Assalamu alaikum.